how do I do more? How do I continue to improve without hiring an army to get it done? How do I get faster? How do I get better quality? I hear this all the time about staff retention, staff knowledge. We've had people who have been here for 15, 20 years. It's no surprise that cost control and cost management for the third year in a row is the number one challenge the respondents are facing. AI engines live and die by the quality of data and the quality of the process. We've all heard the term garbage in, garbage out. If you feed it bad information, guess what's going to happen? You're going to get the same garbage out 100 times faster. AI is a trigger event. It is so pervasive that everybody is going to have one in the next 3 years. If you haven't started, you need to get started. Figure out your strategy. We can help you with that.